place, and love taught me who's giving the orders, who's running the show. Thought I was big and bad, but love taught me who was the boss. Fancy me, thought I had my degree in life and how love ought to be run. I had a one-step plan to prove it, died in my pocket for fools, folly and fun. Love had to show me one thing. I was so right, thought I could turn emotion on and off. I was so sure, but love taught me who was the boss. I defy anyone who claimed that I didn't control whatever moved in my soul. I could tempt, touch, delight, just because you fell for me. Why should I feel uptight? But love had to, love was the boss. Yes, who was the boss?